I bought a couple inexpensive door locks that supposedly will work on this 97 Savana GMC. This seemed like a pretty nice van, so I decided to check and see if it had remote door locks, which it did not come with. I had 2 keys but no remotes. And I found the codes here. I believe that first one there says it's supposed to have remote door locks. Well, there's only one way I can give it a try. I bought a couple inexpensive door locks that supposedly will work on this 97 Savana GMC, and I also bought a inexpensive breakout box, and I had a couple of leads here that I will end up using. And according to the instructions on the internet, I hooked the breakup box. Well, you can actually jump the pins in the data link connector with a paper clip, but I wanted to do a breakout box instead because I'll get more use out of this. And I can jump the pins a lot easier, plus I can see more what's going on with the vehicle this way. So anyway, supposedly the ground and pin number 8. I jumped those and press buttons on the remotes there, and that should, if it has remote door locks installed, then I will be able to have some remotes on the keys. The DLC is hooked up, and I got lights showing me my grounds and my battery, and I do not have to have the key on. So here goes. Once this and this makes a connection right here, the 2 alligator clips, the doors will make a lock and unlock sound. Then I should be able to just push any one of these buttons and this remote will be programmed. Now, within a minute, I have to do the same thing, just push another button on this one. However, if it has had remotes in the past, I will have to hold the lock and unlock button down for 15 seconds, I guess, to invalidate the previous fob. So here goes. Should hear the lock and unlock start on the doors. Okay, and push this. Nothing, so it may have had, I'll hold them both down for 15 seconds. Okay, now should be able to push any one of these. Huh. And battery may be gone on that one. Unusual. Well, they are accessing the doors, but they are not locking and unlocking. The reason they were not working is I forgot to disconnect the 2. I had the system grounded out, and once I disconnected these 2 leads here, then it got open, and now I have rear, way back there. giving it exercise. And the other one, if I did it correctly, it should work as well. I think it's a little stronger battery. Rear. Way back here. All right, this operation is a success. Those key fobs now work, and I can have some remote door locking and unlocking now. So, hope this helped anybody that's trying to figure that out. My big mistake was forgetting to disconnect these two here. Made me have to run the procedure twice. Till the next video, Cars, Trucks, and Detours, aka Steve AZ711. Hope all your repairs go well, and bye for now.